Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to uninstall Visual Studio Code Editor completely. So friends, first you need to open the control panel. For that purpose, within a search box, you can type control panel. Here it is showing control panel. So just double click on it. So once you open the control panel, you have to search for program and features. You will get this option program and features. So just click on this. Now here you will get the list of the programs which are available on your machine. So here I want to uninstall Visual Studio Code Editor. So for that purpose I will search Visual Studio. So now see, it is showing the list of items having Microsoft Visual Studio. So here you need to select Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So this option you need to select Microsoft Visual Studio Code user. Okay, so just double click on it. Now see, it is showing the message Visual Studio Code uninstall. Now we want to uninstall it or completely remove from the system. So just you have to click on yes. It is showing the message, are you sure you want to completely remove Visual Studio Code and all of its components? So just I want to delete this. So just I want to uninstall this. So I will click on yes button. Now see, it is showing Visual Studio Code was successfully removed from your computer. Now friends, though it is removed from the control panel, some of the folders are created which we need to delete manually. Okay, so to delete that folders, open the C drive. Within C drive, you need to select the user folder, and you need to select the user on which by using which you have installed the Visual Studio Code. So here this folder is Deepa, where I have installed the Visual Studio Code and I want to uninstall it. So just double click on this, your required user. So you have to select for this folder .vscode. So I want to delete this folder. So I will select this and just I will press shift delete. So it is showing message, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? Yes, I want to delete this VS Code. So I will select the option yes. Okay, once you select this vs code folder, then you have to search for the app data folder. Now .vs code is deleted. Now you have to search for this app data folder. Okay, this app data folder. If this folder is not visible to you, then what you have to do, here at the top you will get option as a view. You have to select view. After that, show hidden items. You have to enable this so that you will get the hidden items and you will get that app data folder. So double click on this app data folder. Within that, select the folder roaming. Within this roaming folder, now you have to select, within this roaming you have to search for this code folder. This code folder, you have to select this again, press shift and delete option, and just click on yes button. Now this code folder is also deleted. Now again take control back. Within this app data folder, again you will get one more folder here as a local. So open that local folder. Within this local folder you will get, Microsoft. Again within this Microsoft folder you will get VS Code CPP tools. Okay, you will get this VS Code, CPP tools, VS Common, and Visual Studio. So we need to delete all these folders. So first I will select VS Code, CPP tools. Again I will press Shift, delete. Just click on Yes button. Again select VS Common, Shift, delete. Click on Yes button. Again Visual Studio, Shift, delete. Click on Yes button so that folder will get removed. Now see friend, each and every file related with Visual Studio Code is deleted now. Here successfully we have uninstalled Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.